We all use browsers like Chrome and Opera, but few people know that some hidden settings can drain your phone's battery. In this video, I'll show you a few Chrome settings that can help save battery life and reduce how often you need to charge your phone. Open Google Chrome. Tap the three dots, then go to Settings and select your Google account. If sync is enabled for everything, Chrome constantly uploads data like history, bookmarks, and settings. To save battery, keep only important items, such as passwords and addresses synced, and turn off the rest. Next, go to Privacy and Security, then select Preload Pages and select No Preloading. This prevents Chrome from loading websites in the background that you may never open, saving both battery and mobile data. Then open Safe Browsing and choose Enhanced Protection or Standard Protection. This helps protect your phone from harmful websites and apps that can affect performance and battery life. Now go to Notifications. If you don't need Chrome notifications, turn them off. If you still want some notifications, remove permission for websites that send ads or unwanted alerts. Next, go to Appearance and select Theme and select Dark if your phone has an AMOLED display. Dark mode can reduce power consumption while browsing. Close Chrome. Press and hold the Chrome icon. Tap App Info. Then open Install Unknown Apps. If enabled, turn it off to reduce the risk of installing harmful apps from websites. Finally, go to Battery in Chrome's App Info. Choose Optimized for the best balance between battery life and performance. If you rarely download files in the background and want maximum battery savings, you can select Restricted. These simple settings can help improve battery life and make your phone more efficient. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tips.